Got an AVG file in your antivirus quarantine and wondering what to do with it? This is a quarantine file isolated by AVG AntiVirus to protect your system from suspected malware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these AVG AntiVirus quarantine files safely. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small AVG errors. Take a shortcut and download now. An AVG file is a potentially malicious file that has been quarantined by AVG AntiVirus software. Users find this file in the virus vault when the software detects a threat. The primary user intent is to understand why a file was flagged, and to safely restore it if it is a false positive. The AVG file is a proprietary container. It encapsulates the original file and renames it with an AVG extension, while also altering its data, often through simple XOR encryption, to neutralize it. This design prevents the file from being accidentally executed while allowing the AVG software to identify and restore it. The native handling utility for AVG files is AVG AntiVirus by AVG Technologies, an Avast brand. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows cannot bypass encryption, so proper access requires supplying the correct key. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the AVG file and hit Open With. Use AVG AntiVirus if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If you still can't open the AVG file, it's okay. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common AVG failure areas. First, reviewing an AVG quarantine. Open AVG AntiVirus and navigate to the Quarantine or Virus Vault section. The interface displays all quarantine files, including details about why they were detected. Review each file to determine whether it should remain quarantined, deleted permanently, or restored if confirmed as a legitimate file. Next, restoring false positives. If a quarantined AVG file is actually legitimate, use AVG's restore function to return it to its original location. Add an exception to prevent requarantine. Always verify with AVG support or VirusTotal before restoring files, since malware false positives are uncommon in modern antivirus engines. Finally, permanently deleting threats. For confirmed malware use, AVG's delete function to permanently remove the AVG quarantine file from your system. This securely erases the threat, preventing any possibility of future infection. Regular quarantine cleanup helps maintain system performance and ensures malicious files cannot be accidentally restored later. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.